Hi, Bailey, Valerie, Olive, Athena, Hendrix. Beautiful day outside here, isn't it? It's a little bit cool today, but it's a good day for cutting grass. And to cut the grass, we use a lawnmower. Mowing means cutting. Now, the way the mower works is this. Look underneath. See this blade? It has sharp edges on them, and it spins very rapidly when the mower is running, cutting the grass. Now, to make it spin, we need an engine. You might remember that engines burn fuel to make heat, and then use the heat to make things move. The fuel is gasoline. Now, gasoline has to be handled carefully. It evaporates very rapidly. That means it turns to a gas. And it has to do that because fuels will not burn unless they vaporize. Fuel is put into a tank like this. The funnel to avoid spilling the gasoline. And that should be enough gasoline. Now, sometimes on a cool day, the engine gives you trouble starting. Once the engine's running, it'll keep itself going, but you need to give it some help to get it started. And that means pulling on that rope. As I said, sometimes on a cool day like this, it's a little tricky to start. Now, this stuff evaporates even more rapidly, even faster than gasoline. It's called ether. So what we do with that is spray it. This is where the air comes into the engine. Spray some ether in there. Okay. And then try starting the mower. Now, the way we usually do this is the granny does the front of the house. Martin shows up nice looking through. I do the hilly parts. Now, the other thing about that right now, that blade is spinning very fast. The other thing is, when it starts to push on the handle, the engine also makes the wheels turn. So, I'm going to put this tool in the shade. Granny's going to take over the mower, and then I'm going to follow her, and she's going to start cutting. Now, Granny's really good at this. You see how well the lawnmower cuts the grass? Look at that. And you'll notice the little streaks in the lawn. The last time she cut them, that's the way she ran the lawnmower. Now this time, she's going to go straight up and down. And again, look at the difference between where she cut and where she didn't cut. So we're going to let Granny keep cutting the front of the house, and I'm going to do some trimming and some edging. And when we're done, we're going to have a nice cut lawn. Okay? Well, that's what we're up to. So until later, bye-bye.